A lot of leaders ask me where they should start from an analytics perspective. And if you don't have anything else, there are three places where I think you should focus your attention first. Number one is on financials. Number two is on sales. And number three is on delivery. So financials, obviously you need to know that you're profitable and how you're performing financially. That can also help you understand the amount of capital that you have at your disposal to make strategic investments. Number two, sales. Sales is the engine that keeps your business growing and thriving. You have to have success there if you're going to continue to grow and be successful. So you have to make sure that you're monitoring that. And then three is delivery. So if you're a service business, that's your client delivery. If you're a manufacturer, that's your actual manufacturing process. But whatever it is that you sell, you have to make sure you have insight into how well you're performing and how effectively you're delivering the product or service that you're selling. So if you don't have anything else, start in those three areas that you can have a better understanding of how your business is operating. If you'd like to learn more about how you can more effectively visualize and understand your company financials, use the book a meeting button at the top of our page and we'll have a conversation so you can learn more.